What is up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a new video today regarding Kindle publishing. As I've mentioned before in previous videos, Kindle publishing was one of my first significant sources of making online income. And it's just a little bit over the mid of the month, and I just wanted to check on my earnings and let you guys know how I'm doing with overall earnings with my paperbacks, ebooks, and audiobooks that I sell online on Amazon.com. So for those of you who don't know, Amazon offers you the option of self-publishing books on the Kindle store, in their main bookstore for paperbacks and even audiobooks. To do so, I can show you really quickly how to use CreateSpace, KDP, and ACX another time. But basically the premise is you write your own books, or pay someone to write your own books, and you publish them on Amazon. Amazon takes care of the fulfillment, the shipping, possible returns, and all you do is collect royalty and make passive income online from the books that you sell. So what I've got here showing right now is one of the first books that I wrote myself as an actual author. Yes, I did write my own books originally, starting out. This book, it's a very, amateurish looking book, to be honest, but it's got 3 reviews and it makes me a good amount of money. How much money I'm about to show. But that's the premise, and I've got other titles on Amazon as well that are either in my own name or even under what we would call pen names, meaning fictitious, completely legal, completely white hat tactic pen names that I publish my other books with. So without further ado, let's see how earnings look.
Welcome to my self-publishing blueprint. I'm a Mecca.
So what I've got here is my CreateSpace paperback sales for the month of January so far. It is the 17th today as I'm doing this video, and with my paperbacks, I'm doing a little bit over $700. So what's carrying me right now are similar to what was doing well for me last month during the holiday season, to a much lesser extent, of course, now that Christmas is over and the hysteria of purchasing has died down. Yet I'm still doing really good. The Yo-Yo Tricks book that I'm notorious for publishing is still doing well for me, along with the book that I just showed you, the Raw West Side Bundle. And you can see I don't have a whole lot of books published on Amazon, but I'm making a decent amount of money online from the few amount of books that I have published. So all it takes are a few winning books that generate sales, and you're looking at something that can pay some of your rent, maybe your entire rent, a car payment, some of your bills, whatever. It's all good, and it's all possible with Amazon. So keep in mind, this is just my paperback sales, and now we're going to jump over to another page for my ebook sales. So I'm using Book Report to check on my sales for my ebooks. This month, thus far, I've made $312.56 US dollars, and similar, well, not so similar actually, to what books sell for me online. My ebook repertoire has the same titles, yet some books do better than others on electronic form. So whereas kids maybe get Yo-Yo Tricks purchased in the form of a paperback by their parents, they're not so keen on buying it in ebook format. So a little logic will apply there, but still we're seeing some degree of sales from ebooks. It is also worth noting that ebooks, generally speaking, don't pay as much commission as paperbacks, and thus for scaling my business, I did focus more on paperbacks with regards to ranking them first and foremost over my ebooks. And the third subset of my online income with Amazon publishing are my audiobooks that I have produced online. Now, I've never narrated any of my books. That's a whole lot of freaking work that I don't want to do. I am a passive online income earner, and so I simply share the royalty split for having my books narrated. Now, in theory, I could also just pay some up front and not have to do a royalty split, which is actually the smarter thing to do, but you can learn that in a course that I'm about to tell you of shortly. But anyhow, I've made off of 41 audiobook sales, 41 units sold this month. And with audiobooks, doing a royalty split with your narrator honestly doesn't pay out that much. Just got to be honest with you. I probably make an average of $1 per unit sold in terms of audiobooks. So again, guys, it's a little bit over the midpoint of January, and with all sales added up, I'm looking at having made $1,100 so far. Now, one might think compared to like what I do with crypto, $1,100 isn't much. Maybe it's not to some. I think it's still a lot of money. I mean, guys, let's be realistic. That could pay for your mortgage. Someone's going to benefit from $1,100. If you don't like it, I'll take it. And it's $1,100 I literally made so far this month with zero commitment, 0 minutes spent on the business. I don't look at this anymore for the most part. I simply collect my freaking paychecks. And that's what I'm all about with making passive income online. So if this is something that you'd be potentially interested in as what I would consider to be a low learning curve way of making income online, low risk way of making income online. I mean, yes, I am publishing my own books, but I'm being paid by Amazon.com. And honestly speaking, in the year 2018, what are the odds that Amazon.com is going to shut down business and screw me over with not being able to sell my books? You know, unlike the lending platforms that I sometimes promote, Amazon.com is a pretty safe bet for doing business with online. So if you're interested in learning more about this, the course that really helped me propel making my income from Amazon self-publishing is My Self-Publishing Blueprint on myselfpublishingblueprint.com. I'm going to toss you a link below for easy access to this course. And my mentor for the course is Emeka Osai, one of, I'd say, the best mentors for Amazon self-publishing. Probably the guy with the hottest course right now in this space. So be sure to check out the site. You get an overall outline of what his course is all about. Some testimonials with myself included when I was a youngin'. I was actually the guy who made my first $1,000 in the course. So I've come a long way. But definitely check it out. The course is only $190. That's my freaking big screen TV and the computer I'm recording on, man. Damn. Anyway, an outline of all the lessons are here. And again, check it out. There's definitely no obligation for you to purchase this. Even though the course is only $199, spend some time and see if this is something you want to do for making income online. Again, I think it's one of the easiest learning curve methods of making money. It's pretty foolproof so long as you know what you're doing. And part of this course gives you exclusive access to our secret Facebook group where like-minded publishers like myself are on the Facebook group to help you succeed. And I want you to succeed. I mean, there's more money to spread around on Amazon.com, so I think everyone can get pretty successful, and there's wealth to spread on the source of income that I'm making online. So check it out. Any questions? Let's leave a comment. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Thank you.